Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. Diamond Paints with Mike here, and we have another unboxing brought to you by Temu. Apologies about the sound of this video. I am suffering from a really sort of groggy some sort of bug that's going around, and I've got a all bunged up, earache, sore throat, the full works, and that's why the sound is a bit impaired. But you know what I'm like, no rest. I don't like resting. So yeah, I'm going to do this as best as I can. And the first one that we've got here today is a 20 times 20, and this is a what looks to be like a phoenix bird thing. And one of my creators, she likes phoenix birds, and I can't remember who it was, so I do apologise. And I got this, and it's a 20 times 20. We've got 14 colours here on the Shemetic. It's quite a lovely one, that lovely splash of colour, sort of Hogwarts vibe there with the Fawkes bird and the fire in the background. But I can imagine this being quite a lovely one once we've got all that black round there as well. So lots of splashes of colour. Looks like it's been set on fire. But yeah, I had to get that. We've got our standard boat here, which is really good. And then we have the jewels here. And the jewels, these are the jewels. And you've got the purple, the black, the blue, peachy red there, another red, a purple, a blue, a dark blue, a brown, and sort of peachy red, a pink, a turquoise, a yellow, and a purple with that one. So that was the first one that I got. So really, really lovely. Now the second one that I got is, as you know, I love my dragons, and I decided to get this one, which is a lovely little cute golden dragon there. Lovely border going around with that lovely hint of blue and white at the base there, and this lovely yellow that is going up the wing there. We've got 15 colours here on the Shemetic, and it's a 20 times 20, a standard boat here, as you can see. And I love the little white in the eye. I think that's going to give it a really nice look. So we've got that, and we'll just take you over to the drills. And I was so excited to get into this one. I went into it again without opening up the bag. So plus it was a full house yesterday over here, so I couldn't do it. And I found my tripod. The tripod was sitting under like my sister's laundry. How the hell it got there, I don't know. My mum must have moved it, but I found it, so I was like super happy, so I can do recording again over here. We got the teal colour of black and orange, a yellow and a teal blue. And then in here we've got ourselves various shades of blue here, and a couple of browns, sort of butterscotch colour, a brown, an orange, another brown, and a white. So really, really good. And then last but not least, you know I was teasing you about some coasters. Well, I had to get these. These are obviously in the crystals, and as you can see, one of my favourites, guys, it's butterflies. As you know, my love for butterflies, I just saw them and I had to have them. I paid £2, I think it was £2.69 for these. Now, they don't come with the cork backing by the looks of it, so just your standard coasters, no cork backing, but we all know we can put some cork on there. Love the grain of wood going down there. You see that like grey effect to it. And the first one we've got is this one, and it's a pink coaster. We've got ourselves a yellow one, very pretty there with the colours on that one, and it's got some extension with the wing there. We've got ourselves a bluey green. That one's quite nice because you've got blue, purple, green and yellow in there. Absolutely gorgeous. And then that lovely turquoisey blue, which is, I think it's an Admiral Blue butterfly, I'm not sure. And then they've put in a random piece of hint pink. I don't know whether that's supposed to be there or whether there was a bit of an ink colour issue and the ink has run into that. I don't know, but it does seem a bit strange why there's just a random blob of pink when the rest is like, I mean, it has got pink in it, but anyway, that's that. And then in here I got the standard boat again, as you can see. So really, really good. And then we get our crystals, and our crystal drills are really nice once we get into there. Okay, let's see what we got. Oh yes. So these look really good. Sorry, I could feel a sneeze coming. So this is quite an interesting code CM107 there. And in here we've got also all very nice pinks there for Liz. Hot pink. She likes her pinks. Oh, we have got hot pink, look Liz. Wow. Oh, these are very pretty. We've got a pink, a green, a dark green. Lovely wintry silver colour there. And that colour does crop up a lot at Christmas time when you've got your Christmas sort of coasters. You've got your purple, another purple, a lovely beautiful blue there, a dark green, a beautiful hot pink, and then we got that is Liz Harrison's favourite colour. She loves her hot pinks. We got turquoise blue and a black and an orange and a yellow. So yeah, more return of the coasters. They do look a bit bland at the moment, but I'm sure once we put the drills on there, it will spice it up a bit. But of course, let me know what your favourite is. Is it the dragon, or is it the little phoenix bird, or is it the coasters? Let us know in the comments of the video. Thank you so much for watching. Please remember to like, share, subscribe if you haven't done so already, and always tap that notification bell so that you can be notified as when a video pops up onto the channel. And yeah, until next time, have a lovely day. I'm going to take a cup of tea with some honey in it to try and get rid of this bloody bug. And yeah, I probably shouldn't force myself to do this, but you know what I'm like. If I've got a package, I have to show you guys what it is. But until next time, catch you later.